in this video I will show you how to know who visited my Twitter profile. Firstly, when you get into that fiction, you need to know that there is no option by getting up who visited your profile directly through Twitter. But if you, for example, go to the fourth selection to that notification bar, and here guys, you can find out who has mentioned you on your site, who has also picked up a comment on your tweet, also who has retweet on your site, and who have liked your site section on it, and all of these things. But as I said before, you cannot know who visited your profile directly from here. Yes, there are applications available on the Google Play Store and also on your browser to take up and download it to try to sign to visited your profile Twitter to take a look and who was that. But I recommend you to do not do that and to do not simply download these applications, because these applications are not valid and also they are not with the safest way to take up on your phone. You can get up and take a risk on that virus is set up on your phone, and this is why I'm recommending you to do not download any sites from other websites.